Ladies and gentlemen, gather round! Have you ever looked at your typical tiny house and thought, this is cute and all, but I wish it could be, bigger? Well, don't worry, Rover Tiny Homes heard you, and they went ahead and created the Tulameen model. A tiny house that's anything but tiny. They've taken the concept of downsizing and turned it into a whole new level of cozy sophistication. I mean, they didn't just squeeze a little extra space in there, they practically gave it a vacation home vibe. Before we dive in, though, a quick word. If you enjoy this little jaunt into the world of oversized tiny homes, yeah, I said that right, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you're going to want to stay in the loop on all the coolest ideas we have here on Cool Ideas. Now, let's talk about the Tulameen. If you thought tiny houses were meant to be, well, tiny, you might want to rethink that when you lay eyes on this beauty. The Tulameen is a massive 36 feet, 10 meters long, which frankly is so spacious you might forget you're even in a tiny house. It's riding on a triple-axle trailer, so when you tow this thing, you're not just hauling a tiny home, you're hauling a small mansion on wheels. But hey, this size does come with a caveat. In the United States, it requires a permit to tow, thanks to its increased width of 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters. Not a problem if you're feeling fancy though, right? Let's step inside and boy does it have room. I think I'd need to stop myself from hosting family reunions in there. The living room features a small sofa, a chair and a coffee table, which is perfect for lounging or, as I call it, napping on purpose. Nearby, the kitchen is ready for some serious cooking, with a fridge freezer, a 4-burner stove, powered by propane mind you, and a sink. You'll feel like you're on a cooking show in there. There's even enough cabinetry to keep all your stuff from looking like a cluttered mess. I mean, I've seen smaller kitchens in real houses, so this is a win. Now, the interior is 378 square feet, 35 square meters of pure pine goodness, and it's designed with cozy in mind. The bathroom, while compact, comes with a shower, vanity sink, and a flushing toilet. Plus, there's a laundry area with a washer-dryer combo, so you can do your laundry in style while living the mobile dream. Talk about convenience, right? The bedroom on the other side of the house is tucked away for privacy and surprisingly spacious. It even has enough headroom for me to stand upright. And for anyone who knows me, that's a pretty big deal. I'm not exactly a short guy. You'll find a comfy double bed here, plus some storage for your clothes and other essentials. Honestly, this tiny house is about as spacious as it gets. You might start questioning whether you really need to own a McMansion anymore. The Tulameen was made to withstand Canadian winters, so you know the insulation is top-notch. It stays warm with electric heaters and a mini-split air conditioning system, and it's powered through a standard RV-style hookup. Now, about the price. It'll set you back $169,900 Canadian dollars, roughly 118,000 United States dollars. But hey, for that price, you're not just buying a tiny home, you're buying the kind of cozy, mobile luxury that makes the rest of the world wonder if you're living in the future. But wait, before you head off to check out the link in the description, yes, the one with all the official product info, I just want to let you know that for only $1, you can become a sponsor of our channel and help us continue bringing you more of these cool ideas. Seriously, for $1, it's like getting a front row seat to the best ideas on the web. You can find the sponsorship link under this video. Just don't expect any tiny houses for that price. I mean, we're generous, but not that generous. So go ahead, click the link, and let's get this tiny house revolution rolling. And don't forget, we'll be back soon with more cool ideas you won't want to miss.